grade twos, hello. Well, welcome to home-based learning, and this is your home-based science lesson. Now, grade twos, you are actually extremely lucky because you have got an awesome unit of work to be doing while at home, because we're looking at push and pull forces, and we're actually going to use toys to investigate them. Now, I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to have a lot of toys at home that you'd like to play with. So we're going to pull them out, we're going to play with them, and we're going to call it science. So, if you have a look in your folders, you'll notice I've given you two folders. One folder entitled Term 2 Push and Pull, and in that folder is going to be all of our curriculum work. That's where you would have found this video. And your other folder is simply called Fun Science. Now, the reason I've given you two folders is, firstly, you might get through your science curriculum work really quickly, and you might be looking for some more science work to do. So your Fun Science work is there for you after you finish your curriculum work, after you've had a go at it, to go through and find some really fun things that you'd like to have a go at. It's also there if you've got up one morning and you've got to do your science, but you're really not feeling it. So everybody's circumstances are different at home at the moment. So if you're really feeling like you just don't have it in you to do your curriculum work, you just want to do something really fun, that's when it's time to jump into your Fun Science folder and have a look at some fun things we can do. All right, so for your first activity, the first thing we need you to do is I want you to go and get your toys, and I want you to sort through them into different piles. Toys that you push when you play with, and toys that you pull. And you're going to have some toys that you push and pull. Now, if you have a look in your handout, you'll see I've got a Venn diagram there for you. So one side is for push toys, the other side is for pull toys, and that bit in the middle is for our push and pull toys. For example, I've already given you one. Duplo or Lego is a push and pull toy. When we break it apart, we pull it. When we put it together, we push it. So I want you to get at least 4 push toys, 4 pull toys, and 4 toys that you push and pull. Once you've done that, you don't have to write if you don't want to write the words down, if you want to draw pictures. So I've given you just some pictures of some Lego bricks. But if you want to draw, you might draw a picture of a bike, you might draw a picture of a toy car, whatever it is that you do, you could just draw it in there. And then I want you to have a look at the table below. Now, the table below is to think about everyday things that you do. So not necessarily toys now. Think about everyday things you do. Some things you push, some things you pull. For example, I've given you an example on your sheet. So I think I've written it in sentences. Yeah. So you push a drawer closed and you pull a drawer open. What are some other day-to-day things you do that involve a push or a pull force? That's all I want you to do for your first lesson, just that first sheet. So dump those toys out, go through them. You might find something that you forgot you had even. Which things are push toys, which things are pull toys, and which things do you push and pull? And then have a look around the house at some of the things you do every day and work out, when do you push things and when do you pull things? But you're not allowed to push or pull your siblings. That doesn't count. Everyday things, but not pushing or pulling your siblings. All right. Enjoy, and I'll see you again soon for your next video.